Hey guys, this is Rakesh from Dev Simplified, and today's topic is all about literals. The content of this video is to know number 1, what is literal, number 2, relationship between data types and literals, number 3, types of literals and its mapping towards data types. What is literals? Literals are the data contained in the program. Let me break down this sentence. Say, any value which we use or store in the program is what we can say as literals. The relationship between data type and literal can be easily addressed by using a simple example, hard disk and hard disk cover. After placing the hard disk inside the cover, we can say that the cover acts as a data type and the hard disk acts as a literal. So we can easily come to a conclusion that the container which stores is what we say as data type and the element which is stored inside the container is what we say as literal. In this statement, byte size equal to 10, whereas byte represents data type and the value which we are storing 10 is what we can say as literal. So on a whole, the left side which are marked in blue are known as data types and the right side which are marked in red are known as literals. What are all the inputs which we can expect to store? Let's assume we have a text box in which we are supposed to give different types of inputs to test it out. I'm giving a value as 23, which is an integer, so it falls under integer literal. Let's take another input, that is 23.501, which is a decimal number. So basically all the decimal numbers falls under float literal. Let me give another input D. It is a character. So basically all the characters comes under character literal. This time I'm going to give a string, that is sequence of characters. Say dev simplified or else any special symbols which is marked under double quotes. Hence all the strings basically falls under string literal. This time I'm going to give input as true or false since both the values falls under boolean literal. Now the question is very simple. Are these 5 literals can be handled by Java or not? Let's categorize the literals according to the data types. Number 1. Integer literal. Integer literal can be stored by using byte, short, int, long data types. When it comes for float literal, the decimal numbers can be stored by using float and double data types. When it comes for character literal, the characters can be stored by using char data type. When it comes for boolean literal, the boolean values such as true or false can be stored by using boolean data type. Last but not least, when it comes for string literal is a special case. We don't have any data type to store string values. So we basically rely on string class object to store strings. So we can easily conclude that Java can handle all types of input. Subscribe to our channel Dev Simplified and press the bell button for further updates.